Cancerians, this is Akansha from Antarnana Tarot Reading, presenting your readings for mid-month July 2016. I am using the Healing with the Angels deck to find out the answers for you and the suggestions, whatever God has to speak to you via cards. So the card that I have pulled for you is Divine Timing. So this card clearly says that whatever you are wishing right now, whatever goals, whatever is there in your heart and mind which you want to achieve in life, whether it is getting married to somebody, whether it is getting your love in your life, whether it is related to your career, your finance, your health, your family, your new business, your new career, new job, anything, whichever it is, everything will happen in its own divine timing. You should just have faith that it will surely happen. Because sometimes what happens is we start feeling that we are not getting this particular thing in our life and it is much required right now. But we are never aware of God's intentions. Maybe God has something better for us, or maybe God wants to give us the same thing what we are asking for at some particular time in our life. So later on, when that thing or when that person or whatever it is, whenever you will achieve it at that particular point of time when it is written to be yours, I'm sure you will understand the value that why it was not served to you when you were asking for it. So just have patience, have faith in God, and I'm sure that you will receive everything that you want in its perfect divine timing. So this is all for Cancerians for mid-month July, and I'll come up with your readings in the next month. So till then, you can follow me in my Facebook page, Tumblr page, in Instagram as well, and we can also have your personal sessions. So for that, you need to visit my online store. So till then, take care guys, have a very great time. Bye bye.